Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can update to Gemini Pro version or Gemini Advanced in Gemini AI. Open the Gemini AI in your browser and then you can click on the upgrade to Gemini Advanced, which is in the left hand side corner. If you tap on it, it will lead you to Google One or a new page. Click on Start Trial. After reading all of these, tap on Agree, and then it will lead you to this page where you can pay with two different options, either credit debit card or pay with your phone. If you tap on Add Credit or Debit Card, you can go ahead and enter your credit or debit card details, the month, year, CVC, your name, card number, billing address, city, postal code, and everything. After all of this is done, you can press on Save and then you can pay it with your credit card. Now to do it with your phone, if you tap on it, a notification will go in your phone and you should download something like Google One or Google Go, and then you can pay it with your phone as well. So this is how you buy Gemini Pro version or Gemini Advanced in Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.